Hi friends! Welcome to our channel. Today we invite you to cook with us eggplant in sweet and sour sauce. Sweet and sour eggplants are a delicious traditional Italian side dish that goes well with meat and fish, as well as toasted bread. It is also an appetizer that can be served with cheeses and cured meats or with croutons. The dish is eaten cold. If you leave it to rest for a few hours, it acquires an even more refined taste and aroma. For this recipe you will need 1 kilogram of eggplants, 4 cloves of garlic, 40 grams of wine vinegar, 40 grams of sugar, 10 mint leaves, 10 basil leaves, 40 grams of extra virgin olive oil, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Wash the vegetables well, cut the eggplants into strips. Put the extra virgin olive oil in a large pot or pan. Heat 40 g of extra virgin olive oil. Add the chopped garlic, brown it a little and then add the eggplants. Cook over medium heat, stirring, until softened enough to release water, about 20 minutes. Then add salt, pepper, vinegar, sugar and the aromatic herbs, mint and basil previously washed and dried. Mix everything well and let the vinegar evaporate. Reduce the heat, cover and cook for another 5 minutes. The eggplants in sweet and sour sauce are ready. Let them rest for a couple of hours and they will acquire more flavor and aroma. Bon appetito! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.